Gautama Shakyamuni Buddha, and the morning star. Gautama is the morning star. The morning star is Gautama. There is no Gautama. There is no morning star. Gautama Shakyamuni Buddha is Gautama Shakyamuni Buddha. The morning star is the morning star. Ha! Which one do you like? My name is Judy. That's your name. So there's this wonderful poem, which is a translation of a calligraphy that Zen Master Songsan made a long time ago, and the calligraphy has disappeared, but we have the poem right outside in the rope hallway, and it goes, Buddha went to Snow Mountain. Sat, don't know. 6 years passed. Saw a star, got enlightenment. Without thinking, complete universe. So this is very simple. Buddha went someplace far away from everything else. He sat for a very long time with this big question. Why is there suffering? How can we end this suffering? And he sat with this don't know mind. He didn't try to figure it out here, you know? He just looked at this question. What is this? And this big don't know. For 6 years he sat there like that. And then his mind opened and he saw the morning star. And then he said, as the kids play say, how wonderful. Each thing is already complete. Each thing has this Buddha nature. But nobody believes it, and so they suffer. So that was his great awakening. And it was very clear then what he needed to do. What he needed to do is help everyone find their Buddha nature. Help everyone find this complete universe and use their Buddha nature to help this world. That was his job. And where does this Buddha nature live? It lives in this complete universe. We don't get to pick and choose what we like. If you're living in Gaza, you're living in Gaza. If you're living in Sudan, you're living in Sudan. When we get sick, we get sick. When we die, we're dead. Also, when we're alive, we're alive. When we're happy, we're happy. When we're loved, we are loved. Yesterday, there were dozens of birds in our little garden outside, which means that yesterday, there were dozens of birds in our garden outside. It's that simple. So our job is to find our true nature, our Buddha nature, and then use this nature to help this world. We have the same job that Buddha had. Use our Buddha nature to help this suffering world. Buddha went down from Snow Mountain to the plains. After the ceremony, we will all go somewhere else. How would we use our experience? Ha! When the dishes are dirty, please wash.